Hey guys, I'm Caitlin Alfred. I'm the owner here at Lost Artistry Lash, and today I want to share with you some of my favorite lash apps and things that you won't want to miss out on within your own business if you're not already using them. So today we're going to go through some of my favorite apps for stories, for Instagram, for editing lash photos, for how I edit some quick videos, for great stories and feed content on both Instagram, YouTube, whatever, as well as some post planning apps and some general editing apps for whether you're posting lifestyle photos or if you're posting some great product photos like we do on our personal Instagram. So without further ado, here goes. So number one, let's go through my favorite editing apps. So I, of course, edit lots of lash photos. So I'm talking little eye photos or full face photos, whatever it is. You're gonna need to make that skin look crisp and clear. So we don't want our client's attention being drawn to redness on the skin. And everybody has a blemish here and there. So in order to get rid of that, you're gonna wanna check out these apps. I personally edit on my phone and my iPad. If you don't have an iPad, that's totally fine. You can use your phone. So some of my favorite apps are Facetune 2. I use this on my phone and it's really great and user-friendly. Option number two, for my iPad, I use Photoshop Fix. Guys, you're gonna want a pencil for this app. It's really, really awesome to have a pencil. It makes it so user-friendly. So I have an Apple Pencil, which is great. Next, let's chat about stories. So for stories, I really like to make them aesthetically pleasing. So the two apps that I absolutely love are Unfold and Canva stories. So both of these guys, you do have to pay for it, but it's definitely worth the money if you're wanting to up that game. And you can also use it for your posts on your feed as well. If you're wanting to put text in there or just in general, make that post look beautiful. You can do nice layouts and stuff in there. It's definitely worth checking out. Next, let's chat about post planning. So not everybody has a lot of time within their day to post at the optimal times. However, if you're unfamiliar with this, there are perfect times to post. So you need to check out your insights on Instagram or Facebook or whatever it is to figure out the most perfect times to post for you and your customer base. So for me, the right times to post are 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. That's when my customer is online. So I know I need to have posts ready to go for those times. And optimally, I'd like to post 3 times a day. So that means I have to create a lot of content, but it's hard with a busy life. I'm a mom. I can't always have posts created on the spot. So when I'm feeling creative, I'll sit down and just make a whole bunch of posts. And then I can schedule when I want to plan them. So for me, I like to use the Preview app or UNUM. Both are awesome. Guys, there's so many options out there. It's worth looking and checking out to see what works best for you, but it's definitely a nice option as well. So next, let's chat about video editing. So I definitely cannot take credit for all of our videos that we have. All the really high quality professional videos we have are definitely done by our videographer. So I'm lucky enough to have him, which is a blessing. But it's always nice for me personally to make some quick stories, or maybe I have something that I wanna throw on Instagram TV or whatever. Although it's not high quality, it's still great. So what you can do by using the app InShot is the one that I like to use. There's many others out there, but InShot I find is great because it's very user-friendly and you can edit your videos, you can change the filter on them, you can also put videos together so you can make cute little compilations or whatever, and then you can also put text over your videos and crop things out. So really great thing to have on hand if you're looking for content. And then last but definitely not least, we use Lightroom here at Lost Artistry to keep everything flowing nicely. All the photos look crisp and very in line with one another. So these are often presets, and you can purchase presets on lots of apps, but we use Lightroom and we've gone ahead and purchased some whitening apps. As you can tell on our Instagram, everything is white and crisp. So you can find lots of preset apps on there to make your aesthetic for your Instagram consistent and exactly what you want your customers to see. So these are just a few of the apps that I personally love to use, and I find them very, very user-friendly. I really hope that they help you too if you're not already using 1 or 2 of these apps. But by all means, if you have something that works really well within your business, we'd love to hear, so leave a comment below.